In this video, I'm going to share with you how I cracked the code to feeling is the secret. And I literally changed my entire life, and you can too. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are, we're soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to always click that bell icon because we're here almost every day with a new video to empower your life with the law of assumption, law of attraction, vibration, energy work. It's all about self empowerment. Now, look, high flyers, when I was just inches away from being homeless and I was living in a cheap, desolate hotel room in the worst part of town, I needed a way to change my life and to change it fast. So I don't know if you're in that position, whether you need to change something with your relationship or your finances or your career or your health, whatever it may be, this is it. So what I did is I made a shift, a life-changing shift. And I shifted, it began with shifting my feelings. Once I made the shift and I cracked the code to feeling is the secret, once I did that, everything began to change in my life. Day by day, everything began to improve. My relationships and friendships began to improve. My personal relationship began to take fold and improve and get better day by day. Money, money was hard to come by then. Now it's easy to come by. Money began to improve. Finances, abundance, confidence, opportunities, all of that began to change once I cracked the code. I'm going to help you in this video crack the code to feeling is the secret, so that you can begin to make the same kinds of changes in your life, whatever they are. So everything boils down to this. It doesn't make any difference if we're talking about incantations or if we're talking about affirmations, we're talking about vision boards or scripting or 3x33 or 5x55 or water manifesting. It really doesn't matter. It all comes down to feeling is the secret. Capture the feeling associated with your realized wish by assuming the feeling that would be yours were you already in possession of the thing that you desire, and your wish will objectify itself. Neville Goddard. And your wish, whatever it is you desire, no limits, will objectify itself. So, how do your feelings help you manifest what you deeply desire, what you deeply crave and want in your life? How do your feelings do that? Feelings imprint a deep impression into your subconscious mind, which is the connecting link to the infinite, including your wishes fulfilled. Put simply, high flyers, the universe, God, the infinite field, whatever you want to call it, it mirrors your subconscious. Your subconscious is the connecting link, and it mirrors it. It mirrors the vibration that you are emanating from your beliefs, from your subconscious, and it sends it back to you. It sends it back to you magnified. And think about this, high flyers. Sometimes it even sends something better something more magnificent, something more miraculous than you even imagined. It goes beyond your beliefs and imagination and amplifies them to a whole new level. Now, this is important. Your feelings will attract exactly what you desire unless you have opposing feelings that are bigger, stronger, and getting in the way. We call those counter intentions. Every feeling makes a subconscious impression, and unless it is counteracted by a more powerful feeling of an opposite nature, it must be expressed. Neville Goddard. Do you get that, high flyers? If you have a set of feelings, your predominant, dominant feeling is opposite from what you consciously desire, that's what you'll manifest. Not what you consciously desire, but what your feelings are manifesting. I know a lot of you want to rattle off a lot of affirmations as quickly as you can. And I love affirmations. I've written a book on affirmations, but it's not just about rattling off affirmations. It's about building an emotional state and then transforming it into feelings and allowing the feelings to transform into physical reality, your deepest desire, your wishes fulfilled. So why is feeling critical, absolutely critical in manifesting your deepest desires? Well, Neville says this: your world cannot change until you change your conception of it. Your world it's going to stay the way it is, according to Neville, until you change your conception of that world. And how do you do that? By changing your feelings. Let's not allow negative feelings to become our master. John Locke wrote, "What worries you masters you." That goes for all negative feelings: worry, doubt, fear, anxiety. What worries you masters you. Look at it. You are either master and co-creator of your reality, or your fears and doubts and worries, well, they are mastering you and they create your reality. The choice is yours. Now, negative emotions and feelings may have helped your current destiny, but we're going to change all that by cracking the code. I'm going to give you 3 simple principles, and if you'll follow them, you will crack the code just like I did. To feelings is the secret, and you will begin manifesting beyond your wildest imagination. It worked for me, and I know it will work for you. So the secret is to create a new inner state, a new state of consciousness where your deepest desires are already manifested. So number 1, to cracking the code, focus on your end emotions. So don't ask yourself, how would it feel if? Assume that you already have what you desire, and then ask yourself, what feelings are coming from the fact that I already own my new car? What feelings are there? And then magnify them and express them. What feelings are coming from my increased abundance or my new relationship? Ask yourself that important question. What feelings are coming from my marriage proposal? What feelings are coming from the fact that a publisher wants to publish my book? What feelings are coming? And then focus on those feelings and express them and magnify them. Focus on what the end feeling feels like. In other words, you already have what you desire. What does the end feeling feel like? And do it morning and evening, especially as you fall asleep. But I also like to do it for about 10 minutes in the morning before I even get out of bed. Just put yourself in a cocoon of those beautiful feelings of having the wish fulfilled. Number 2 is living the wish fulfilled in daily life, gratitude. Look at when I was almost homeless, not quite. When I was there, though, when I got a few extra dollars and I could go have a nice bagel with some cream cheese on it, I would close my eyes and I feel like tears would start coming down my face because I was so grateful for having a cup of coffee and a bagel. Because oftentimes I just ate like breakfast cereal, even sometimes less than that. Living the wish fulfilled in gratitude. Rewrite your story. My story was never about being homeless. Well, it might have been to get me there, but once I was there and wanted to get out, once I cracked the code, I rewrote my inner story. And even when I was on the bus, I'd be looking at cars going by and I'd say, "Oh yeah, that's my car. That's my car. Oh, I love that car. Yeah, I don't want to deal with parking today. So I'm letting my friend drive my car." And maybe that's why I've purchased so many new cars, is because I kept saying every car going down the road was my car as I was sitting on the bus. But it became my car. And it will you too, no matter what it is, whether it's a car, a home, a dream vacation, a relationship. Gratitude. Be grateful for what you have, and then be grateful, magnify it for what is flowing into your life. When I speak of feelings, I do not mean emotions, but the acceptance of the fact that it is fulfilled. Neville Goddard. That was the key for me, and it is for you too. Accept the fact that your wish is already fulfilled, that what you desire is already yours. So, just to review for a moment, the first one was focus on end emotions. The second one was living the wish fulfilled, gratitude. And the third one, rewriting your story. Rewriting your story. That is so important. And you do it every day. You don't just sit down and do it once, you do it every day. One of the ways that I find that people are becoming super successful at rewriting their story is through a program I created called Miracle Hypnosis. And you can try it for 7 days. miraclehypnosisonline.com. And I have a number of programs that will help you rewrite your story. And again, it's 7 days. It's absolutely free. If you like it, continue. It's about $1 a day. If you don't like it, just cancel. Simple as that. Miracle Hypnosis Online. I think it's a great program because it works directly in your subconscious, and it will help you rewrite your story so that you are manifesting and attracting exactly what you desire. Now, I've been getting a lot of letters lately from people who say, "Robert, my specific person really hurt me. If she would just apologize, we could have a relationship again. I'd be open to it." Or if he would just say he's sorry for hurting me so much. Well, I have a video coming up right now. I urge you to watch it. It's how to get someone to apologize and want to be with you. It's very special, and it's next.